Hi guys, my name is Olivia and welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm gonna do is show you how I put my pants on. When my journey of putting pants on, I've started with a pair of pants that's a bit easier to put on. So we'll start with those, but I'll also make further videos about pants that are a bit harder to put on. Okay, so the first thing that I usually do is I'll grab my pants from my closet and put them on my bed. Either when I'm done my shower and then transfer over, or the night before going to bed, so my pants are ready to put on the next day. Okay, so grabbing my pants, so I'll unfold them and then usually bring them to the front of my feet. And then put one foot in. So I'll keep the elastic band kind of taut to bring them in. Lift up my heel so to get my foot into the pants. So it's a little bit of a string that kind of got cut around my foot, but here we go. And then I'll bring my hand inside the pants on both sides and keep the elastic taut to bring one foot in a little bit deeper. And then putting the other foot inside the pants. So I'll bend my knee to bring my other foot in. And again, keeps the pants out that way. So then go into the elastic band and use my wrist extension or tenodesis to bring my pants up. Until I get to close to the top of my thighs and my hips. Then I'll lean over on one side and pull my pants up that way. Nope. And then do the same thing on the other side. And only to get back up, like I'll push with this hand and then put my other hand in between my knees to kind of leverage my way back up. Again, roll to the other side, put my wrist inside there. It's always the hardest part is always to get it over the bum. Sit there on the other side. I'm kind of going back and forth, getting my hand in there, getting to the back, and almost like twisting, almost like twisting my pants a little bit to get some grip and stuff in there. And doing the same thing on the other side. So it's a bit more of a difficult part to get my hand inside my pants when it's like a bit higher towards my hip, a bit more taut, and then again bringing it up. Rolling over, and then at the end here, so I'll bring my thumb inside, like I'll put my thumb inside the elastic band of my pants, and then with my knuckle that's towards the index, I'll press against the thumb. So my pants is between my thumb and the knuckle of my hand, and then I'll push on the thumb, like push on the side here to bring my pants up. And then same thing in the back, I'll go to the back here and do the same thing. So push on with the knuckle of my hand onto the thumb to kind of leverage my my pants in between my thumb and the knuckle of my hand. And then I'll go to the other side and do the same thing to pull them up all the way. And again, pulling them up that way. So yeah, just to be more specific, I guess it depends on like the level of function, but I don't have any thumb function to be able to squeeze, squeeze my hand, to squeeze towards my hand. So yeah, I basically like push against, with my knuckle, I push against the thumb to like put the pants in between the thumb and the knuckle of the hand to be able to bring it up. Okay, and this is how I put my pants on. So you can check out the description for the time breakdown and some more details. And also thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or anything like that. And we'll see you next time.